in here that we're really excited about. All the way from California, originally done by RDBLA. We've got a C63 S in here, wide body, and the new owner's got it, so we're about to personalize it, make it his own. We cannot wait to show you guys this. It's gonna be some really good content. Make sure to finish watching the end of the video, because it's gonna be crispy. Another thing that we're going to do as well is we're actually going to replace this hood. This was a custom hood that they made there. We're actually going to replace it with the Darwin Pro Aero IMG style hood, carbon fiber. I'll show you guys out here in just a second. This is another thing I want to show. This hood has not been wrapped for more than a year. It got rewrapped. And this is why we don't use tech wrap. This is why we don't use cheap Chinese film. This laminate should not be coming off like that. Not only that, there's no glue. It's almost like it's held on with static electricity. So we're not doing that. Use a good quality film, not gonna happen, especially not in a year. So show you guys the hood. This thing is gonna look absolutely amazing. We still have to do a couple things figuring out as far as like what we have to drill for holes, for like the emblem, transferring some of the stuff on the back, but it's got the clear cutouts. We've got the plastic cellophane over it right now so we don't have any scratches. You'll actually be able to see down in the turbos. If you guys are AMG fans, Mercedes fans, you probably already know what the hood this is, but if you haven't, now you know. So we're gonna figure out exactly what we're gonna do in leaving the carbon fiber exposed. Thinking about leaving like this back half exposed with carbon, and then maybe just the top centers of the vents here, and then everything else will be wrapped. So as soon as we get this stuff dremeled out and cut, so we can go ahead and test fit this hood, we're gonna get this on, pull the old wrap off, and we'll probably have to get it up in the air so we can go ahead and start disassembling this thing to get rid of the wrap.
This is a major component of wrapping a car. Cleaning the wrap table is what I'm gonna call it.
Sure, we'll go with that. So we got all the holes drilled out, we got our tabs basically knocked out. There wasn't any kind of pre-drill, so we had to drill everything else. That way all of our factory clips for the windshield wiper pissers is what I'm gonna call them, because it's not technical. I'm not technical, I'm just kidding. I'm technical when it comes to this though. So everything else will line up 100% perfect and will snap in place. We're not gonna snap it in just yet because the hood hinge does have to go around this here. So we're actually about to put this hood on, get everything adjusted, and go from there.
There's actually a sign right here that says the office.
Is this me coming out of the closet? Oh. Alright, so real talk though, I got any jack. I have no jack stands whatsoever. Because Mike has got his turd up in the air at the shop at the house. So we're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight. That's every man's store. Oh my gosh, this dude, I'm trying to get some jack stands, but not the recalled ones.
Should be somewhere over here.
Yeah, thank y'all. Got a quick question for you, boss. I'm looking for jack stands, but not the recalled ones.
Yeah, you won't find any of them there.
Really?
Yeah, because that was the only ones we sold, and they pulled them all, and we have to remake them.
So I have no jack
Draw
stands.
from the drawing board. This is the only one we have left, which obviously we don't have. So new jack stands coming soon. Yep. So, and that coming soon is very vague. It could be 7 months, could be a year. So, yep.
Well, you just killed my dreams.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have to walk home ashamed now.
You're gonna have to go to those other places.
I know,
we
right?
don't speak of in here.
I know. AutoZone. We drove all the way here when there's an O'Reilly's 5 minutes down from the shop.
Hey, the jack stands better here.
I can't believe that.
We are currently chasing the SWAT vehicle just to see what's going on. I know this is where we shot that video. Right? See, he's up there. Don't mind.
Now you can't see nothing.
That would look so dope on video.
What?
With the way the clouds are hanging over the mountain like that.
Man.
Oh, bro, you gotta go up to Tennessee.
Bro, where did he go?
I have no idea.
It looks like he probably took a right, I'm guessing. Either he went a right or he went straight through the light. Oh, I guess that's obvious. I'm an idiot. Just don't listen to me.
Wow. Wow, no, I think he went left.
You know what? Shut up, bitch.
Heat.
This is the world's most unstable footage I've ever shot in my life.
Failed today.
Cut the camera. Ooh.
Struggles. Yeah, I figured we'll do this, break the whole thing apart, and then start tearing the old wrap off. Kind of talk a little bit more about that. Honestly, I can have this whole side taken apart before we go to lunch.
Bet. Is that a challenge? Starting the clock.
Challenge accepted.
So this is the end of day, what day is this?
3.
This is the end of day 3. The hood is,
I think it's 3. I don't even know, man. I spent like 2 days just trying to get glue off, so.
hood is wrapped. See all the fine details.
All the crispiness.
And yeah.
More to come tomorrow.
Peace.